Hello friends, this is Jennifer back again with just a few cards. Actually, I didn't count. These were cards that I made last year, 2021. I used this kit. It's from the October 2021 Spellbinders card kit, and it's called You Are Stellar. So let's get on with it. First one is this one. So just very simple cards. Love you. Everything is blank in the inside. I stamp the sentiment when I'm about to give it, or I don't. I just write my message from my heart. That's the second card. This is another one. It says you are magical. Some of these, of course, I copied or scrap lifted from famous YouTubers and Instagrammers like Cards and Coffee Time or Nicole Spohr or Christy Marcotte. There's a bunch of YouTubers that make 10 cards one kit using Spellbinders card kits. So I look at their videos and then I copy some I just make my own. This is the next one. It says Make a Wish. It's a pretty versatile kit. Here's another one. My daughter asked me why this girl is slouching because I always tell her not to slouch. Well, not always, but kids. Here is the next one. I love these. I think they're called epoxy stickers, but I just really, really love them because they came in different sizes. And so, and of course, I think my last name should be Jennifer Stickles because I love stickles. I put stickles there too. Here's another one, and I used some of the different stars again. And then this one says Happy Birthday, gold foiling. These are stars that are gold foiled. And then this one, it says Make a Wish. My middle daughter, who's 16, turning 17 in April, already said, Mom, that's the card I want for my birthday. So there is a post-it note that I've put on here before I showed you it that it's going to be going to her this April when she celebrates her birthday. This says, your purpose is to shine your light as bright and as beautiful as only you can. Isn't that nice? And I love this diagonal paper. Oh, and these are just gems from my stash. This should be a short video. Oh, these are stars that I made using the eksuccess punch, confetti stars. And then here's another one. These are stars that I cut out using a Hero Arts confetti die. Here's another one. This is a die from the collection. It's this one. It has several layers, but I think I just used the outermost layer right there and didn't do the gold. I just used plain blue. So there's the die right there. And some other ones. So anyway, second to the last card. I love the soft muted colors of this collection, and I have so much left of the kit, so I'm probably going to be making more. And that's it. I have an Instagram account. It's Happy Scrapper Mom of 3 on Instagram, so you can check out still photos of these over there. Thank you. Bye.